Hey cousins, it's time for another ghost buy. Listen, if you are new to this, I basically do this because there are some vendors who will send influencers like me really good products and then unethically send customers trash, basically. And the more and more that started happening, I was like, yo, I gotta figure out a way that I can just see what people are buying and see what people are receiving, right? So I started ghost buying about a year or so ago, I think, and it's been very successful. Not only does it showcase the companies who are not providing the same level of quality, but it also showcases the companies that are ethical and that are sending you exactly what you see. So I love doing this. Basically, I have a lot of people behind me on this. Big shout out to all of the people who have ghost bought for me. I appreciate you guys. This is there's no way that any company could know that these products are coming to me. Okay, just know that. Okay, it's a whole system in place. That's why I do this, because here's the thing: everybody is working very hard for their money. It's crazy. It's just crazy, like, that some companies do that. So this is just my small way of showcasing and illustrating the best companies to spend your money, and you can look your own self. So this is a way for you to look, see if you like what is being sent to just a random customer, not to me as an influencer, you guys. Okay, with all of that being said, this one I have been waiting to ghost buy because BGMgirl hair has some of my favorite kinky straight hair, y'all. You know that. Like, I have so many. I have their M caps. I now have their 3-in-1 half wig, all kinky straight, or what I think they call it on their site, blowout. So basically, what was ordered on my behalf was their this is the M cap kinky straight blowout HD lace, 24 inches, 180%. Now you can go all the way up to, I believe, 250%. There are different things that you can choose. It just depends on what you want and also what you want to pay. So yeah, that's what you have to choose from. You can choose HD scalp lace. I just went with HD lace because, look, that's why it does me just fine. You have different inches. Bing, bam, boom. There are M caps. They have the curved ear shaped tabs for people who wear glasses, or just people who don't like that piece of cap going over their ear. The knots are bleached. The wig already comes pre-cut. You don't have to cut lace unless you just want to trim a little bit more lace off of it. The M caps are basically wear and go. Like, you depending on what you want it to look like. So if you want it to look a certain way, then you may style it or whatever. You can absolutely wear these glueless. These look so good to me unmelted that I end up melting them. I ain't lying. I don't know if that makes sense to anybody, but it looks so good without being melted that I'm like, I know if it looks like this without being melted, baby, if I put a little dab of spray on there, honey, what? Come on now. And I was right. And listen, the reason why I ghost bought this is because I've done collabs with BGMgirl hair, and all the feedback that I've gotten has been positive, and this is just another way for me to just really feel confident. Okay, so big shout out to them. They always say what you see is what you get, and I love that. That's why I started collaborating with them, because before our first collaboration, I told them, I said, listen, I 100% always encourage people to come back, leave their own reviews up under the videos, all the things, because what we not gonna do is send me something and send them something else. I don't like that. I don't stand by it. So that's why I do these things. And they're like, absolutely, we 100% understand what they see is what they're going to get, blah, 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 all the things, right? So they were when I started working with them, they were kind of still developing their products. They were going through like trial and error and stuff like that. That's why I waited quite a bit of time before ghost buying from them. And I'm so glad I did it, because yes. And I took you through stages right here of pressing it out so that you can see, there are levels to it. You can leave it like in its natural blown out state. You could press it, you could hot comb it, you could do all of the things, and it just depends on the level, it depends on where you going with it. Okay, that's it. You don't have to do any of the customizations, but I want y'all to pay attention, because I was so impressed the first time with their lace and just the density of the hair and all the things. So I was like, Lord, please let this work. Please don't let this ghost buy end up the wrong way, because when I tell you I love their kinky straight hair, it is very soft. There's no weird smell ever. And again, y'all, I have to put emphasis on the fact that this did not come to me, from them. I didn't buy it from them, etc. You know what I'm saying? Like, you feel me? This is a true ghost buy, you guys, and I want y'all to know. So when they say what you see on the influencers is what you get, come on, y'all. I like that, and honestly, I like it when the ghost buy videos end up like this, because it is my intention to illustrate the companies that are doing the right thing. And in doing this, you're going to see the ones who aren't. And you know what? Hey, I can't help that. It is what it is. So at the end of the day, this is just what I do to combat those unethical practices in my own way. Now, I'm not the largest influencer in the world, so what impact it will make, I don't really know, but it is making a little small impact, and I know that for a fact. So, and I don't say that to toot my horn. I say that because you guys, in all of your comments and all of the things, when the companies are getting it right, y'all jump down in those comments, or you hit me in my email or on Instagram or whatever. And when they not right, you like, mine was cool, but she looked like a bald head scallywag now. Those types of things, when I see comments like that, I'm like, okay. And my wheels start turning. And then the team and I, we put things together, and the timing is for a reason. So you may not see a ghost buy right away. Or if someone asks me to ghost buy from a company and I say yes, I won't do it right then. You know what I'm saying? So listen, it's very well put together, okay? It will be sporadic. It could be 6 months down the line. It could be a year down the line. Big baby, it could be within the next 16 days. You just never know. It depends on a lot of things. And when it turns out like this, man, I'm very grateful for that. And those are the companies that you will see me promote more or collaborate with more. And then you'll see some drop off. You'll see some fall off. I've collaborated with companies that I no longer collaborate with because of ghost buying. So, I mean, hey, this is not to throw salt or anything like that. I know sometimes these companies are just growing and going through the growing pains. So it's not that. It's just to illustrate where they are at that moment. And where they are at that moment, if it's not where you want to spend your money, you should know that. Period. You should know what they're sending just anybody who purchases their products. You should know. And that's what ghost buying does. And look at this. Baby, if this is not successful, come on now, cousins. Yes. And I got the info in the description box, y'all. All right. Peace, love, light.